Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the donor phone. Turn on mobile data and check signal. Weak reception slows everything. Next, open settings and go to hotspot and tethering so you can create a portable Wi-Fi network. Configure the network name and a strong password and choose WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption because it protects traffic from casual eavesdroppers. Once done, set a short timeout and limit allowed devices to avoid unexpected connections. This helps preserve battery and data. You now operate the receiving phone, enable Wi-Fi and scan the list until you see the hotspot SSID you just created. Tap the name, type the password exactly, and watch for confirmation that the phone received an IP address. That tells you it negotiated with the hotspot. If both phones show permission prompts for sharing or pairing, accept them to complete the link. Once connected, check a simple web page or ping to verify internet access, and note battery impact on the donor device. You finish by optimizing the connection and handling common failures. Monitor the host phone's battery and data. Disable the hotspot when finished to save power. If the receiving phone lacks internet, first toggle mobile data and the hotspot off and on because many issues clear with a restart of the radio. If problems persist, forget the network on the receiving phone and rejoin or reboot both devices. These steps reset DHCP leases and often resolve IP conflicts or authentication glitches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.